In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Every time a new device shows up, I get a lot of questions in the comments. How to change browser app, messages app, and more. If you want to switch your current defaults to your favorite apps, here's how to do it step by step. Firstly, you need to open Play Store and download your new defaults. I will go with Firefox browser just for example. After getting them all, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices settings. Now tap on Apps. Select Default Apps over here and click on one of those sections you wanna manage. In my case, Browser app. Finally, click on your new downloaded one to apply it. And when you finished, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!